Welcome back to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, news, and insights. Today, we have something truly exciting for fans of classic American sedans: an in-depth look at the 2025 Mercury Sable. This legendary nameplate makes a stunning return, blending nostalgic appeal with modern technology and performance. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this highly anticipated sedan. The 2025 Mercury Sable marks the revival of a classic, bringing back the iconic design philosophy that made it a household name while adapting to the demands of today's automotive world. Mercury, a brand that once stood between Ford and Lincoln in Ford's lineup, has made a surprising comeback with the Sable, catering to those who seek a balance between luxury and affordability. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercury Sable offers multiple powertrain options, starting with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing around 250 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for a smooth and efficient drive. For those craving more power, a 3.0-liter V6 delivering 350 horsepower is available, providing a more exhilarating experience. Additionally, Mercury is expected to introduce a hybrid variant, featuring a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor, designed for fuel efficiency without compromising performance. In terms of design, the new Sable embraces a sleek, aerodynamic body, with a distinctive front grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted hood. The fastback-style rear end gives it a modern, sporty look while maintaining the elegance that made the original Sable stand out. The car rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, with 20-inch options available on higher trims. Step inside, and you will find a luxurious yet tech-forward cabin. The 2025 Sable comes equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, and the latest Ford Sync 5 system, offering seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and real-time navigation. Premium materials like leather upholstery, wood grain accents, and ambient lighting give the interior a sophisticated touch, while features like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 12-speaker premium audio system enhance comfort and entertainment. On the safety front, the 2025 Mercury Sable is packed with advanced driver assistance technologies. Expect features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring a safe and confident driving experience. Pricing for the new Sable is expected to start around $35,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $50,000, depending on options and packages. With its blend of power, technology, and classic appeal, the 2025 Sable is set to compete against models like the Toyota Avalon, Honda Accord, and Buick LaCrosse. The return of the Mercury Sable is a bold move, reviving a legacy sedan for the modern era. Whether you're a longtime fan of the brand or simply looking for a stylish and reliable midsize sedan, the 2025 Sable is an exciting choice. What are your thoughts on this revival? Would you consider driving the new Mercury Sable? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Masters for more automotive updates. Stay tuned for our next video.